today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly download your resume from Indeed. This process is simple, quick, and something you can accomplish in just a few steps. Whether you're looking to update your job applications or simply want a copy for your records, downloading your resume can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Indeed's website. If you have Indeed bookmarked or saved, that's great. Otherwise, just type Indeed into your search bar, and it should come up right away. This well-known job search platform is not only a hub for job listings, but also an excellent place to maintain your professional profile. Once you're on the Indeed homepage, navigate over to your profile. This is where all of the information about your job history and skills is stored, and it's what potential employers will see when they look at your application. Your profile acts as a centralized hub for all your career-related documents, and it's where your resume is filed. When you've reached your profile page, you'll see your resume listed there. Locate the Resume section. It typically stands out quite prominently on the page. There should be 3 small dots or an ellipsis next to your resume. These 3 dots are quite handy. They often signify additional options that you can select for that particular item. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Once you do, a small menu will appear. This menu provides you with various options related to your resume. From this list, you'll want to select Download. Clicking on Download will automatically start the process of saving your resume file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file might be saved directly to your Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a specific location on your computer where you'd like to store it. Choosing a memorable location will ensure you can easily access your resume whenever you need to reference it or send it out. And just like that, you're done. You now have a copy of your resume safely stored on your computer. Remember, having an updated and readily accessible resume is crucial not just for job applications, but also for networking opportunities or for sharing with colleagues if required. Being able to quickly provide your resume to interested parties can set you apart in today's fast-paced job market. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Just remember, simplicity is key, and Indeed makes it easy for you to stay on top of your professional game with just a few clicks. If you found this guide useful, feel free to like, subscribe, or share with someone who might need it. Until next time, happy job hunting.